Hi y'all, welcome back. Good morning. It is almost 4 o'clock in the morning and I need to go through my mini backpack and clean it and put it in everything transferred over to my new bag, my Coach purse. And don't mind my clean clothes. After I get done, I need to fold those and put those away. But yeah, this bag, it's heavy and I don't want to abuse it anymore because they no longer make this. So I love her dearly, so it's time for me to clean her up and store it up in my closet or on display somewhere in my room. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you on how bad my bag is. And it's really heavy, but look at all that. Okay. First up, I have Ariana Grande Mod body spray and the scent of vanilla. I love her. I have 1, 2, 3 phones. Yes, my Android phone that I use every day personally, like my security cameras and all the other fun stuff. My green phone that I use every single day, all of my social medias, and my second YouTube account is on this phone. And then, of course, I got my very much dead iPhone. It's 3:41 a.m. And yeah. Okay. I have my wallet, which I will be continuing using this wallet until I find something a lot cuter. And I'm not going to show what's inside because it's boring. But I do want to see. No. I don't have nothing in there besides papers. What is this? Oh, never mind. And never mind. Put that there. I have my sunglasses by Ray-Ban. Nothing really too special about these. I do need to upgrade my sunglasses, though. I've had these for a very long time. Okay. I think I can literally dump all this out. I see money. Come on. Okay, my checkbook. Oh, hey now. Change. A quarter. Let's see. What's this? Oh. My very old ID. Ha! I still got that in there. That's funny. I found a ring. A very expensive ring, which I wasn't supposed to have that in the bottom of my bag. What's this? Oh, snap. I have my off-road license. So, oh. Okay, is there anything else? Okay, I'm gonna go through the pockets, my side pockets. Okay. Oh, I have my prescription pain meds. Okay, what's in this pocket? Oh. My garage door opener. Car keys. More change. Yay! Let's see. $1. Oh, hold on. $5. 6, and a 7. So I got a total $7. I'm rich. Not really. Okay, I'm gonna go through here. I have another inhaler. Jeffree Star lip scrub. Oh. Watermelon gum. You know, I hope this is still good, but I don't know. It smells nice. I have a Bath and Body Works Disney Princess Cinderella hand sanitizer. And I have 2 lip glosses. This one here is by Lancome and Marshmallow Electro. Very pretty. It's got a lot of glitter. I love her. And then I have e.l.f. Squeeze Me Lip Balm. What is this? Oh, blueberry. It's so cute. It's a little baby. That's so cute. Alright. I am going to put this aside. And I will be keeping her. I'm going to put everything in here. In that little cutie patootie. Oh, look at this. My very expensive bracelet. That wasn't supposed to be in there either. A bag full of quarters. Of course, of course. My Samsung Galaxy earbuds. One of these are dead. No, they're not dead. Okay, I love her. Another hand sanitizer. Ooh. More pocket change. A receipt. Let's see how much. I spent $186. Huh. Wowzers. Okay, trash. Okay. Let's see how much stuff I can fit in this. My lip glosses. Okay, my lip scrub. My hand sanitizer. My inhaler. Okay, I'm not gonna keep this. I'm gonna put that aside. Okay. My wallet goes in first, just in case. Wow, nice. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna test this phone, see if it will snap. Oh, well, oh, you work. Look at that. Got a lot more room. How cute. Okay. My car keys. Will I have room for my sunnies? Oh, look at that. I got room. My garage door opener. My earbuds. Sadly, I don't think I'll have enough room to fit this, but I'm going to switch that body spray out. look at that. My phone's fit. Oh. Alright. That is all for this video. But yeah. Alright. Stay tuned because I am going to try to film a makeup tutorial of me playing with my new makeup that I got. And maybe a 4th of July makeup look. At least a very easy one. Alright. Thank you for watching my video. Now it's time for me to get off of here and get this video up on my channel. But anyways, hope you all have a wonderful 4th of July. And I will see you all very, very soon. Alright, bye!